Children, let us continue the chapter Algebraic Expressions and Identities. Now, the exercise 5 is continued. The sixth question. Using identities, evaluate. The first one is 71 square. 71 square. Here, by using the identities, we can get the value of 71 square. We can express 71 as 70 plus 1 whole square. By using the identity a plus b whole square equals a square plus 2ab plus b square. Write that 70 plus 1 whole square, which is in the form of a plus b whole square, where a equals 70 and b equals 1. Here a is 70 and b is 1. Now a square means 70 square. 70 square plus 2 into ab means 2 into 70 into 1 plus b square. B square is 1 square. So you write 71 square equals 70 square. 7 square is 4900. So 70 square is 4900. Next 2 into 7 into 1. 2 7s are 14, 14 1s are 14 and 1 0. So it is 140. Product of 2 into 70 into 1 is 140 plus 1 square is 1. Then you write 4900 plus 140 plus 1 equals 1401. You will get 5041. The square of 71 square is 5041. The next one, second one is 99 square. 99 square. You can express this 99 as 100 minus 1 or 90 plus 9. So it is better to use 100 minus 1. Write 100 minus 1 whole square. 100 minus 1 whole square. You can get the square of 100 easily. Square of 1 is also easily. So it is better to express 99 square as 100 minus 1 whole square. Then you can use the identity a minus b whole square. So you write a minus b whole square equals a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then you write 100 minus 1 whole square equals 100 square minus 2 into 100 into 1 plus 1 square. So 99 square is 100 square is 10040 you will get. That is 10,000. 100 into 100 is 10,000 minus the product of 2 into 100 into 1. 2 into 100 into 1 is 200 plus 1. Now here these two are positive. Add them. Then you will get 10,001 minus 200. So you write here 99 square equals 10,001 minus 200 and subtract 200 from 10,001. Then you will get 1 minus 0 is 1. Then 0. 10 minus 8 is 10 minus 2 is 8. So you will get 9801. Square of 99 is 9801. 9801 is the square of 900. Next you take square of 99 is 9801. Then you take the third one. Third one is 102 square. 102 square is 100 plus 2 whole square. Here you express 102 as 100 plus 2 whole square. Now you can use the identity a plus b the whole square. So you write a plus b whole square equals a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then you write 100 plus 2 whole square equals a square is 100 square plus 2 into 100 into 2 plus 2 square. 100 square plus 2 into 100 into 2 plus 2 square. Then you write 102 square is 100 square is 10,000. You write plus 2 into 100 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 into 100 is 400 plus 2 square. 2 square is 4. That is 2 into 2. Then you write 102 square equals, find the sum of this 10,000 plus 400 plus 1. 10,000 plus 400 plus 4 is, you will get 10,404. 10,404 is the square of 102. So you got that 102 square is 10,404. Next you take here 998 square. You can express it as 998 as 1000 minus 2. 998 is 1000 minus 2 and 998 whole square is 1000 minus 2 whole square. Now you write the identity a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square equals a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then you write 1000 minus 2. 1000 minus 2 whole square equals a square is 1000 square minus 2 into 1000 into 2ab plus b square is 2 square. So in the place of a 1000 is there, in the place of b 2 is there. So here 1000 square minus 2 into 1000 into 2 plus 2 square. 1000 square is, you know that here there are 3 zeros. In its square there are 6 zeros. So you write so 1000 square is 10 lakh. Here you got 6 zeros in front of the 1 minus 2 into 1000 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 into 1000 is 4000 plus 4. Here 10 lakh minus 4000 plus 4. Now you add these two as they are having same sign, positive sign. That is 10 lakh plus 4, you will get 10 lakh 4 minus 4000. Then that 4 minus 0 is 4. 0, 0, 10 minus 4 is 6, 9, 9. So you got here 9,96,004 you got. 9,96,004. 9,96,004. So it is 1002 square is 9,96,004. Next let us take the next one, that is 5.2 square. 5.2 square. 5.2 you can express it as 6 minus 0.8 or 5 plus 0.2. 5 plus 0.2, right? Square. 5.2 whole square is 5 plus 0.2 whole square. Then you write the identity a plus b whole square equals a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then you write 5 plus 0.2 whole square equals, in the place of a there is 5, in the place of b 0.2 is there. So you write 5 square plus 2 into 5 into 0.2 plus 0.2 whole square. Then you write 5.02 whole square equals 5 square is 5 into 5, that is 25, plus 2 5s are 10, 10 2s are 20, so you will get 2.0, that is 2. Then plus 0.2 whole square is 2 square is 4, so it is 0.04, 0.04. Then add all these, you will get 25 plus 2 and 0.04. So what is the sum of these three? This is 0.4, 5 plus 2 7, so you got the 0.2 whole square is 27.04, 27.04. Next, sixth, 297 into 303, 297 into 303, and you can express, see the number here, 297 is 3 less than 300 and 303 is 3 more than 300, so you can write it as 300 minus 3, that is 297. Next, 300 plus 3, this is, so 297 is 300 minus 3, 303 is 300 plus 3. Now here you can use the identity a minus b into a plus b equals a square minus b square. So you write the identity a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. Then it is 300 minus 3 into 300 plus 3 equals 300 square minus 3 square, because in the place of a there is 300, in the place of b there is 3. So 300 minus 3 into 300 plus 3 is 300 square minus 3 square, that is 297 into 303 equals 300 square. You know that 3 square is 9, as it is having 2 zeros, its square is having 4 zeros. So 300 square is 90,000 minus 3 square is 3 into 3, that is 9, and 90,000 minus 9. 10 minus 9 is 1, 9, 9, 9, you will get 89991, that is 89,901 you will get. So 297 into 303 equals 89,991. 89,991. Next you take the seventh one. Seventh one is 78 into 82. 78 into 82. You can see the difference here. This is 2 less than 80. This is 2 more than 80. So you can write it as 78 is 80 minus 2 into 82 is 80 plus 2. 80 minus 2 into 80 plus 2. Then you write the identity, same identity, a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b equals a square minus b square. A square minus b square. 80 minus 2 into 80 plus 2 equals 80 square minus 2 square. In the place of a, 80 is there. In the place of b, 2 is there. So 80 minus 2 into 80 plus 2 is 80 square minus 2 square. That is 78 into 82 equals 8 square is 64. 80 square is 6400. So here only one zero is there. In its square 2 zeros. Now 2 square is 4. Then you subtract 6400 minus 4. 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 and 3 is remaining. So you got 6396. 78 into 72 equals 82 equals 78 into 82 equals 6396. Next you take the 8th one, 8.9 square. 8.9 square. 8.9 is 1 less than 0.1 less than 9. So you can express it as 9 minus 0.1. You can express it also as 8 plus 0.9, but it is simple. 9 minus 0.1 is 8.9 square. 8.9 square is 9.01 whole square. Then you write the identity a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then you write 9 minus 0.1 whole square equals a square is 9 square minus 2 into a is 9 into 0.1 plus b is 0.1 whole square. Then you write 9 square is 9 into 9, that is 81 minus 2 9s are 18. 18 into 0.1 is 1.8 plus 0.1 whole square is 0.1 into 0.1, that is 0.01. Here 1 digit after the decimal point and its square is having 2 digits after the decimal point. Here you got that 2 into 9 into 0.1 is 1.8 and 0.1 whole square is 0.01. These two are having same sign, add them. 81 plus 0.01. So it becomes 81.01. Subtract 1.8. 1.8. So you will get 1 minus 0 is 1 minus 0 is 1. 10 minus 8 is 2. Here 0 is remaining. 10 minus 1 is 9. 7. So you got 8.9 whole square equals 79.21. 79.21. Then next one, ninth one. Ninth one is 10.5 into 9.5. And you know that 10.5 is 0.5 more than 10. 9.5 is 0.5 less than 10. So you can express it as 10 plus 0.5 into 10 minus 0.5. Then you write the identity a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b, that equals a square minus b square. Then you write 10 plus 0.5 into 10 minus 0.5 equals 10 square minus 0.5 square. Then you write that is 10.5 into 9.5 equals 10 square. 10 square is 100 minus 0.25. 100 minus 0.25, you will get 10 minus 5, 5 and 9 minus 2, 7 minus and 10 minus 0, 9 minus 0, 9, you will get 99.75. So 10.5 into 9.5 is equals to 99.75.